Hey everybody, welcome to the Qebot Weekly App Reviews, where we dive into some of the most popular apps that have been connected into people's app center within the Qebot web operating system. We're going to take a deep dive through these, see how they work, and see if they might work for you in your personal or your business life. So let's get started. Today, we're going to be looking at the Yola application. It is a website builder that has been used by our customers, our clients, for quite a few years now, and has been very popular. And so we're going to dive into what this might be able to do for you and your business. Let's get started. All right, first off, what is Yola? What does Yola do? So to start off, Yola is a website builder. Just like I said before, it comes with a lot of great perks. It's a website building technology to help you get a site up and running. People use it to create beautiful, custom, functional websites that are very good for SEO value, that are mobile optimized on all device types, and are really easy to set up and get using. For user benefits for this, it's very simple to use. We'll show you that in a second once we jump into the actual application, but really easy to use, really simple to set up a website and continue to edit online and inline and just republish those sites. Very, very easy to use, and you can set up your own custom code within the system as well. We'll get into why you would do that in just a second, but it's a really great tool for you to be able to create your website and get it up and running. And for your business, some of the benefits here are you just getting an updated site. That's one of the big things we find. A lot of people that come to us wanting this tool set up for them is just to upgrade what they have. They've had a site 10, 12, 15 years, and they realize, okay, it's out of date. It's not doing what it needs to from an SEO standpoint. It's not working on all devices anymore. And that's really affecting my business. So getting an updated site that is mobile friendly, SEO friendly, and will always stay up to date because we always update it in the back end for all the different things that the website needs to stay functional online for you. Now let's talk about some of the unique features of Yola. So the first one we're going to talk about is build simplicity. This comes with dozens of pre-made templates, lots of pre-made templates to get you up and running very easily. It's block-based builder, so you will see in a second how that works, but you just build the blocks that you need for your site for each page. And you have the ability to edit inline and then republish that site. So a really easy way to keep adding and creating for your website. Let's take a look at that. So as you can see here, when you first get into your site builder, you're going to have a whole bunch of options for different website templates you can choose from. So you can choose, from personal sites for your own personal brand. You've got business sites, all these different options here. Online store, so it has an e-commerce system built into it so that you can come in and start selling online, or community and organization. All right, now that I've chosen my template, I've got it up and running right here. Chose a restaurant theme for this one specifically. You can see you've got all the things you need for your website. You got your phone number up in the top right-hand corner. You have your order online buttons here. You've got great, great capabilities on the page to be able to see all the different areas that you want to edit. And then going back to that block-based system, here's how you can add sections to your site. So you come in, you create a headline service. You can create a headline section, a services section, let's say, product sections. You can see it uploads. It's got a whole bunch of different options that you can put together. You can also create your custom blocks too. So if you want to do something custom that's not in one of these, again, it's got about us. It's got gallery sections. It's got a ton of different blocks you can choose from, or you can create your own, whatever you might need for that information on your website. You can also create as many pages as you want. So you can see I can come in here. I've got my pre-made pages here. And then if I just want to add pages, I can add as many as I want. I click right here, and then I can walk through the process of creating whatever page I might need. And then just for editing the content on the site, I can come in, type wherever I want. I can just edit the content. And then once I'm happy, everything looks good, I can save my page and then publish it online. And then within a few minutes, it'll be live online for everybody to see my edits, my changes, my updates, and my new website. The next feature we want to talk about here is the mobile and SEO value you get with a site like this. So first off, meta tags and alt tags, they're all set up in here so that you can make sure that you have the content on your site to drive that SEO value you're looking for, that on-page SEO value. It also works on all device types. So any device type somebody might have, whether it's a phone, a computer, a tablet, whatever that might be, this site's going to work and it's going to look beautiful on that system. It's also built to run fast and securely. So these all come with SSL security measures in the back. So you don't have to worry about, making sure that your site is secure or anything like that. We take care of that for you in the back end of the system. And they're built to run fast, load fast, and really be functional to make sure you're getting that top-notch user experience for your site. And finally, customization. This is where it gets really cool as well. Access to header and footer code allows you to do a lot of custom things with this site. So if you want to add, let's say chat systems, or you want to add tracking code, things like that, you have access to that header and footer section so that you can actually go in and put that code in that you might need. We also have HTML widgets. So if you need to put something like a web form from your CRM or from, whatever content management system you might use, you can inject those into here very easily as well. And it comes with thousands of free stock photos. That's kind of the nice thing here too, is when you get in here and you're editing your site, you can come in and say, I want to change this picture right here. I can come in, I can either do that from my own photos, or I can browse free stock photos. And there's thousands and thousands of them in here. You can search for whatever you'd like. Great. So those are some of the unique features of the Yola website builder. Let's jump into usability. So we marked this as both novice and intermediate. We say that because for those that just want to pop up a, very simple 3, 4, 10-page site, put your content in, it's super easy to work with. Again, it's template based. You can just kind of go in and fill in the template with the information you want. And it's really easy to use, really easy to set up and get up and running. Now, we did also mark intermediate here because, again, for those of you that want to put website widgets on, that want to put, custom code in, that want to put chat bubbles, all that kind of stuff, it is possible to do all of that as well. And it's very simple to do. And we have some great support systems in the back end that can help you do those things. But that's why we mark it as intermediate as well. So those that, want to get a little bit more custom with it are able to do those types of things. All right, let's talk about the connectivity of Yola. So first off, adding custom code. Again, access to that header and footer code makes it easy to connect to any third-party tools that you might have. And again, that might be chat systems or subscription widgets from your email marketing system, maybe tracking code from Facebook, or whatever you have that you need to plug into the system can easily be plugged in because you have access to that header and footer code to put JavaScript script code that you might have. Also, the HTML widgets. This is a great way, again, to connect your site to your CRM or to any other systems you might be using to gather leads, gather information from people. You can use the HTML widgets from whatever system you're using and plug that right in as well. Very simple. And finally, native integration. So this integrates with things like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Qebot, so that you can manage those types of things, translators. It also has an e-commerce system built into it so that if you want to start selling products online, it's already in there. You don't have to go find a product. It's integrated right into the system. So a lot of really great native integrations that you can just plug and play because they're already set up in the system. All right, let's talk about the learning curve on this one. So we marked all three. So DIY and wizard setup. As I stated before, it's really easy to use, really easy to get set up and start, working with. So for those that need a DIY or wizard kind of setup, this takes care of that for sure. Training manuals, there are a ton of documents, a ton of videos, all that kind of stuff to help you get up and running on this tool if you need. So there's tons of great material that we can get to you, we can give you to make sure that you are getting this system set up for yourself. And then we also have consultant and expert setup because we also do have services provided for this tool. And for those of you that just don't want to build the site yourself, you want to have a consultant or an expert build the site for you. We do have people that, for a cost, of course, can help you get that site set up. So that's why all three are set up for the learning curve here. It's really as easy or as expert as you'd like it to be. All right, as for customer support, this is if you're purchasing this tool is available in the Qebot marketplace. So to give you a little information about that, if you go into our marketplace here, if you're on the web operating system for Qebot, you can actually access this tool. You can purchase it and manage it right through the system. And through us, you get both email and chat support. So a great way to get a hold of our team for any questions you might have to get those answered. Our team will set up screen shares or calls with you guys if needed as well. Great customer support there. All right, next, let's talk about pricing. So this is the pricing you're going to get if you're purchasing this tool and activating it via the Qebot marketplace. So keep that in mind. If you're coming to the marketplace within Qebot and the Qebot web operating system and purchasing it through there, this is the price you're going to get for the system. So capabilities, you're going to have unlimited number of web pages you can create. So you can create as many pages as you need. You can use your own domain, or you can access or purchase domains through us. And that typically costs $12 to $14 per year, depending on what domain you're getting. E-commerce, there is an additional cost that comes with e-commerce. It does come with, for the $25 price you see here, it does come with a 3-product e-commerce. So you can sell up to 3 products at no additional cost. If you have more products than that, then there's a tiered level there as well. Mobile optimization, obviously it's a check mark on that. You definitely get mobile optimization with this. Code and HTML widgets, that's included. Stock imagery, we talked about that. That's included. And automated compliance updates that we will do in the back end. Those all come with the system. Support, you get email and chat as well. And again, we'll set up, screen shares and calls with you guys if necessary as well, past that email and support, or email and chat. And again, $25 per month. That's what the price, again, on the Qebot marketplace is for the Yola system. And that's it. That's what we want to show you guys today. We hope you guys got excited about what this tool could provide for you in your personal capacity or for your business. Promo code there, GET YOLA, GETYOLA. Put that into the coupon code if you're buying it through the Qebot marketplace, and you'll get 2 free months of the website builder on us. So check that out. Pretty good little offer there. Again, everything is month to month within our marketplace. So if you decide after 2 months it's not something you want, you can always cancel. That's easy to do with us. Thanks for joining us today, guys. We hope you guys learned something, and we'll see you guys on next week's review.